create a beautiful little trinket dish that you can pop keepsakes in, things like that. Just a really lovely gift for somebody, or a lovely way to accessorise your home. So you're going to need something like this. This was from Poundland, but anything will do. Vinyl. I'm using permanent vinyl for this. This is Cricut, I believe it's called Rosy Pink, something like that, pink something, I'll pop it below. Brayer tool, weeding tool, pair of scissors, scraper tool, transfer tape, standard grip, because we've got that smooth vinyl, so standard grip transfer tape, a mat, and your machine. You could make this on any of the Cricut machines. They all cut vinyl, so all of them, this project will work exactly the same. All of the steps will be the same. So let's get started. I've chosen my design already, I'll link that below. It's just going to be one colour of vinyl, so it's already set up, and I've resized it to 4 inches wide to fit on my little trinket dish. So I'm going to grab my mats. Oh, there we go. And pop my vinyl face up onto the mat. There we go, and just use my brayer tool to make sure that's well stuck down and any air bubbles have been removed. There we go, and we'll pop that into the machine. Now I've chosen the premium outdoor vinyl setting because that's the type of vinyl that I'm using, the permanent vinyl setting on my device. Because I've got my Explore, I've turned the dial to custom so that I can choose that material, but with Joy or Maker you'll just click your material on the screen. Let's start cutting. Okay, there we go, we've finished cutting. Let's unload that from the mat. Peel our mat away from our material as usual. All in a mess. Pop that back under there. And we will just trim round our design so that we're not wasting any vinyl. There we go. And then I'm going in with my weeding tool and I'm going to weed away everything apart from the design. So carefully peeling back. Let the weeding tool help you get into all of those pieces. And then we're just going to go in and remove all of the little pieces inside of our letters. So I'll show you. You are magic. So cute. So now, let me get rid of all my weeded bits. Grab a piece of transfer tape and separate the two pieces like so. And we're going to stick a clear sticky piece on top of our design. Then go in with your scraper tool. Give a really good scrape. Turn it over and do the same on the back. And then carefully just remove that backing sheet. So roll it back on the diagonal. If any pieces haven't come back, you can just roll them back into place. And there we go. There's our design stuck to our transfer tape. Now let's grab our piece. Make sure this is nice and clean, nice and dry, and hasn't got any bits stuck on it. And we're going to line this up. I like, if it's a curved surface, I kind of pull the transfer tape at both sides as I pull it down, so I kind of stretch it as I go, and then that stops any air bubbles and helps it go round the curve, so just kind of pull it out as you go. You don't have to pull that hard. And then we're going to go in with our scraper tool. And then, as usual, fold the transfer tape back on itself and pull back diagonally as flat as you can. And there we go, you are magic. How cute is that? And then pop the lid on. I love that, really retro looking, so cute. I will link the image I used below so that you can grab it. Pop my transfer tape back on the backing so I can use it again another time. There we go. And that is our little trinket pot complete.